Hey, Tyler, don't use full water. They said not to. I got Jeff and Chris. What? I saw the BB. Did you get him? Is he hit? No. Oh, sorry.
I didn't shoot. I was like, ah! Hey, quit.
You alright, Tyler? Where'd I hit you? Where'd I hit you? Oh.
Were you on the board?
Yeah. Dude, that big dot in his forehead.
Yeah, I know.
So you've been shot between the eyes?
A little bit.
Y'all be careful. Don't
Oh, it's
shot-
fine.
Don't shoot at me.
It didn't hurt too bad. Hurt for a minute.
I call rematch. Rematch.
Rematch that same team?
Yeah. Dude, if Jeffrey would've got closer, he would've hit me. That BB flew by me.
Yeah. I found guys that I got hit between the eyes. I can't.
Dude, these motherfuckers suck. These suck. Tyler's probably the best one on our team.
Huh?
Tyler's probably the best one on our team. He's not that good.
He always gets shot from the ball, huh? He's always sitting there.
I was on the porch, dude, and I shot him. I swear I got in the face. I swear.
I could have swore he was shooting on full auto. That first few seconds. This thing's fast as shit.
You like that gun?
Yes. There's like that Bella had. Full auto.
Oh, everybody's just gonna be like,
Yeah.
it's not gonna be pew 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 pew.
We're gonna get effed up on that.
I ain't bullshit, motherfucker. I ain't christening him, yeah, but like me, you, and Bailey.
Yeah. Take 'em all.
Ready? You wanna storm the same side? Hit Jeffrey right in the head. Hey, Chris. I gotta reload.
Hey, you have any BBs?
Just a little. What's he doing? I hit Jeffrey in the
Headshot in like 3 games.
Huh?
Yeah, like right here.
Hey, does anybody want to go grab the BBs?
That one hurt.
You go grab him. Get in the forehead. Can you go grab the BBs? Oh no, Jeff, you go.
Okay.
He ready? Why?
Everybody is.
Hey, go grab that big tub and my little tan little thing.
Okay.
Or maybe go up in his room and grab those BBs, the bag of BBs.
I'll have a bag.
I do.
Fast.
You guys are getting taken out by Brian.
I like that gun now that I got it fixed.
I liked it in the first place.
Going 15 feet and then zoop.
Already?
I got Jeffrey right in the fucking forehead again. Again. He's got another red spot on his forehead.
I thought he put a mask on.
Is it good now?
Yeah, mom and dad wanted me to put a mask on, but they didn't.
I'll hit Jeffrey.
Like the, you know, when you're watching.
Wham!
Oh, he got a
that
mask
walk
now.
in the gun, that kind of scared me.
No, that just means you're out of BBs.
Oh.
Because this one done it
I
too.
didn't get the funnel. Dang it.
It's alright.
I might as well check this one.
I'd rather load it by hand first.
Sounds like it's gonna lie.
Put it on this front.
450 round mag.
I'm wearing a mask this time.
Hit him in the forehead again.
Again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like the mask.
I don't like them either, but
Why, you tired of getting hit in the head?
What's it like go through that little crack in the mask and hit him?
Those little holes.
it'd be hard to snipe though.
That scope's not really, it doesn't really have the dope on it. Huh?
Wow.
Somewhere.
Why you need a mask? Don't be scared, Tyler.
I'll get hit in the face. What's wrong with these glasses?
Yeah.
These look pretty cool. If they're padded.
They're full seal so BBs can't get in.
I don't know, dude. I think that one came pretty close.
This one?
What?
These?
Yeah.
Somebody using these?
You look gay as shit in those, though. Oh, I'm still recording, aren't I?